And you're not often on my car about my daily dose of hot, sizzling, juicy entertainment gossip. Anything entertainment be at Mama Hanum Hot and Fresh, within the age. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and then subscribe to this platform. But my show, I don't mind that video now. Some famous and bosses in the be a positive video be a Betty and Kanama my head. I must be braced to be a Mokoba Betty. And then news in the headline is about Rosemont Alade. One when him saw the Rosemont Alade, you move be brain him say. A friend or a polo. Na few days ago, and as an same one, a home semi trendy about sex video and a best friend out of anger or the about bunting. Nanke name himself polo dear. Any shake around him so a controversial social media pass in the aba obey video no a casa afa home. Na sim way by the uncle for be cancer for home. I'm a fierce nigga mo cry the secret be and I'm home air bar bunting pa, but a year polo pass him with long can be. When me and on side na encrofer can say a then and the best friend in the sex video a bar mounting. I did been pa before being and the bema best friend pa edo sex video about one tablet and show image sa. Na be more air casting if you have polo deserve be more second baby and I say ubi or down for pa or yours. Now, same way Coco Swan and Crepin Polo posted on Instagram page, I think in a picture with a caption. Keep smiling, Rosemont Alade. Do you know why? Because the future is bright. I will put a custom and I'll show on the picture. I say, now, the caption way, and go for the brain, go for the wrong because you don't know Rosemont Alade. And I say, Crepin Polo to be like that. You need me so be a Asemba na no asemba ba bontin video be kika na adwen but we dey putting go for be shock go for be surprised what show nice caption or dey aye any picture caption 9 say kosoa na sere Rosemont Alade unim dey insira because that china na say me da wanim no ye fake and I say yes wrong yeah caption in the picture no keep smiling Rosemont Alade. Do you know why? Because the future is bright. In some way, reaction or the aba bontini. Solemn reaction. One fagidi be a name se later no be fire there because Rosemont Brown there and I Rosemont Alade Brown there go for be enim no. If you have polo go for nim no pass on the air be fire but. And I say more be can say we jai sane mani na manaka because so ye Cardi B twin nti enim say since we Cardi B twin nti na we jai ma nsem kwasana na ye won pai say because why say because na bibia na say be abonte be respond obetimi resolve bibia behind closed doors ha enu obi na be hu na ye hu say subanya say ababa we fa ya na wo fa is a step in the right direction na ye bom pai ma no say ntoka bi esi on na dan fontem no mbetima sorting out because so best friend dey no so to me o stay to the extent say although sex video hebeba abonten nti in the midst of all this chaos no and the headlines no no Rosemont Brown and I say Rosemont Alade Brown and I don't know him no as Equiapim Polo the reaction or the aba concerning the sex video e the aba abonten no with the caption keep smiling Rosemont Alade. Do you know why? Because the future is bright. Caption kama or caption in a picture on Instagram and I missed all this chaos or come na ye bon person yankopon be man na ahoden management standing these trial times because obe appear on social media say obi oye strong but behind closed doors we don't know what's actually going on. Depression in yama bebre is me setting because sex video the leak here and then same bebre bankofo bebre show madwen but ne omo ye wo enfichire no yankopon kwa na nti ye bon pai so be shedding na wanya clear mind ahwe one ne ba na bibia ebe ye fine ha na me demo entertainment news ABC within the AG Patrol. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and then subscribe to this platform a boy and pan na dasene ebesi